Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Python with Raj Kumar. Friends, today I will be discuss conditional statement. Grade a student based on marks. Marks is greater than equal to 90. Grade A. Marks is greater than 90 is equal to 80. Grade B. 80 is greater than marks is greater than equal to 70. Grade equal to C. 70 is greater than marks. Grade is equal to D. Marks is equal to int of input of enter a student marks. Code first code. Marks is equal to int of input of enter a student marks. If marks is greater than equal to 90, grade is equal to A. If marks is greater than equal to 80 and marks is less than 90, grade equal to B. If marks is greater than equal to 70 and marks is less than 80, grade is equal to C. Else grade is equal to D, less than 70. Print grade of the marks of the student. Grade of the students greater than comma grade. Enter the number is equal to 94. Grade of the student is A. Through the code, output will be same or not. Marks is equal to int of input of enter the number. If marks is greater than equal to 90, grade is equal to A. If marks is greater than equal to 80 and marks is less than 90, grade B. If marks is equal to greater than 70 and less than 80, grade C. Else grade D. Print grade of the student is greater than comma grade. Output will be enter the number is suppose 94. Enter. Grade of the student is A. यदि हम लोग का क्या है, स्टूडेंट का मार्क्स 90 से ज़्यादा है या 90 भी है तो उसका ग्रेड क्या होगा, ए होगा. तो यहाँ पे मिल गया हम लोग को ग्रेड ए. नेक्स्ट इसी में हम लोग वैल्यू को चेंज करके देखते हैं. यदि हम दे देते हैं 84 इंटर, तो हम लोग को क्या बताया गया कि 90 से कम होना चाहिए और 80 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. 80 या 80 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए ग्रेड बी के लिए. तो यहाँ पे आया है बी. फिर हम लोग चेक कर लेते हैं नेक्स्ट कोड में. Enter the number 74. Grade C. Output will be correct. Thank you for watching Python with Raj Kumar. Thank you for all. Have a nice day.